Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Notification Center with Trackpad on Mac. So if you want a quick way to check notifications on Mac, you can open Notification Center directly from your Trackpad. This gesture lets you view app notifications, reminders, calendar alerts, weather updates, and many more without clicking on the date time in the menu bar. This is the typical way to check the notification center, but with the trackpad gesture, you can quickly access notification center on Mac. Let me show you how you can do it. First, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose system settings. Now here, scroll down all the way and click on trackpad. After that, go to more gestures. Now here, make sure you have enabled the toggle right to notification center, and that's it. Once it turned on, place the two fingers on the far right edge of your trackpad and swipe left. Notification center will immediately appear on the right side of the screen. As you can also see the instructions here. It says swipe left from the right edge with two fingers. Means you have to swipe left outside the trackpad with two fingers. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.